Hello my dear friends, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you this makeup look that I did for my birthday. We're gonna be transforming day makeup to night makeup. You can see in this video how this makeup looked before I transformed it. If you're interested, let's get into it. So as you can see, I still have some makeup on, but I changed my hairstyle and my clothes and jewelry. So right now I just want to change my makeup a little bit to make it more evening, night out like. First of all, I'm gonna be adding more powder. I'm gonna use Kosas Candy Cloud Set again. Trying to do it as fast as I can. Was it fast enough? I think so. A bit more under my eyes. Now I'm going in with Chic Glam Mulled Wine blush stick. I'm not gonna add the blush on my nose for this makeup. Let's add a little bit more contour. I'm gonna be using Flower Nose Butterfly Cloud Color Collection palette again. I mixed these two colors. Now I'm gonna add this brightening shade under my eyes. Now let's add highlighter. I'm gonna be using Cookie from Benefit. Tip of my nose. I'm gonna add it on the inner corner of my eye as well. And under my eyebrow. Yeah, Flower Nose palette. I'm going in with this, the darkest shade here for the crease. Now let's add the same shade on the bottom lid. I just decided to go with this Matrix palette from Chic Glam. I want to add this shade in the center of my top lid. It's not super pigmented, but it looks pretty. The pigment is better when it's applied with a finger. Now let's add the eyeliner. I'm gonna be using Flower Nose eyeliner in a shade Ink Black. I don't know why, but for some reason my hands are super shaky right now because I'm so in a rush. Little wing here. Now let's add the black shade from the Matrix palette on my top waterline. Because it needs to be here to fill this emptiness. Because eyeliner is pretty black and my waterline is pretty pale. Yeah, much better this way. Now I am going to contour my lips with Put a Year Lip Contour. It's shade 08. I'm gonna top it up with Holika Holika lip tint in a shade 08. honestly was not sure about this lip combo, but now that I see it, I am. I really am. I love it. Let's add some mascara just on the top lashes. Let's set my face with Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Spray. The perfume of the day is Black Opium, the red version. And just like so, I gotta go. I hope this video was interesting for you, and thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy.